If you guys are using Samsung Galaxy phones, today's video will be incredibly useful to you guys. What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're talking about a couple of cool Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks that are based on One UI 6.1, which is running on my Galaxy smartphone. And if you haven't updated yours to the latest version yet, please go ahead and do that. This version has a lot of cool features that you should be knowing about. With that said guys, if this video interests you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon, and with that said, let's get started. Alright guys, first things first, we'll start off something with really simple. Now inside One UI 6.1, our notification tray looks like this. So you do a single swipe, you get the quick access, and then you do a double swipe and you get all of your options here. What if you want to directly go to your quick settings straight from your phone? All you have to do is click on this pencil mark icon at the top, then go to quick settings instant access and make sure this option is turned on. Now whenever you swipe from the right of the phone, automatically the quick settings tab is gonna open up in its full view. Make sure to check this one out. Alright guys, tip number 2 is really useful if you're having a little bit of trouble with your Wi-Fi connection around your house. So this is a really cool feature called Intelligent Wi-Fi. To turn it on, just go to your Samsung settings, then go to Wi-Fi, and from here click on these 3 dots and go to Intelligent Wi-Fi. From here you want to go all the way down, click on Connectivity Labs, and from here you'll find an option called Home Wi-Fi Inspection. Make sure you follow all the steps, select your Wi-Fi network and hit on start. And what now you have to do is that you have to walk around your house, and this will show you exactly where your Wi-Fi section is strongest and where it is weakest. So if you're trying to figure out which area will get you the best Wi-Fi connection in your house, this is once again a cool feature that you should definitely not miss out on. Feature number 3 guys is pretty simple, and this is the auto remaster options that we have inside our gallery. So whenever you open up any photo and swipe up, you will find a bunch of AI features as well as a cool remaster option here. Clicking on it will use the power of Galaxy AI, and with that it will remaster the picture. In most cases it will give you a before and after look, and what it does is add a lot of contrast and make the photo more punchy and ready for social media sharing. So if you're somebody who doesn't really like editing photos, this is a cool feature that you should check out. Feature number 4 guys is in the Samsung Members app, which comes pre-installed in every Galaxy smartphone. Sometimes we have to make sure everything in our phone is okay. Let's say if you're planning to sell it, or if you just want to check that everything in your phone is perfectly fine, then this Members app is really cool. Open it up and then go to the support section, and over here you will find a diagnose my phone section. From this you can actually go ahead and start this test, and it will check every single thing on your phone and tell you if it is in good working condition or not, which I think is really cool, so that you can be sure that everything in your phone is in perfect working condition. Okay, check this out. Whenever somebody calls me and I don't want to pick up that call, I can just put my palm on my phone screen and the call will be muted. I can also flip my phone and put it face down, and the call will once again be muted. All these are really cool features that you can turn on in your phone too. Just go to settings, then go to advanced features. From here go to motion and gestures and make sure mute with gestures, it's the option right here, is turned on, and you will get these features. They can come really handy if you're with a special someone and you don't want to use your phone, or if you're having a meeting and you don't feel like taking a call. This is something that can definitely help you out. Alright guys, ending it up with 2 camera tips. Number 1, first of all, check this out. My camera has a lot of zoom options right here that you guys can see, and this is not traditionally something that you will find. For this you will need a good lock module called Camera Assistant. If you need a video on good lock modules, let me know and I will bring that up as well. For now, make sure you to just install good lock. If you haven't already, go to the life up section and make sure you download Camera Assistant. From here there are zoom shortcut options. Make sure you turn them all on and you will have multiple zoom options. Other than that, there are also a bunch of other features that you can use to make sure that your camera performs better than before. To do that, simply go to your camera settings, and over here you will find an option called Intelligent Optimization. This will be by default at maximum. If you put it to medium or minimum, your shutter lag will be much lesser, so you can click a lot of photos at the same time and they will get optimized later instead of on the spot. That is pretty much it for today's videos. I really hope that you guys enjoy these Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks on your Galaxy smartphones. If you like this video and if you want a video on good lock modules or more such tips and tricks, be sure to drop them in the comments below and I will see what I can do. With that said guys, this is Anubhav signing out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell icon for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.